y'all, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, my name is Wendalyn Lynette and welcome to the channel. This is part one of the kitchen renovations. I'm just giving y'all shots and showing y'all before the renovation of this ugly, brown, dated, hideous, horrendous mess of a kitchen. I hated this kitchen, y'all. I hated it. Y'all just don't know how much. But everything has been moved and stripped. Everything out of the cabinets. The refrigerator and stove, as you can see, is pushed over to the side. And this is just ready and waiting for the contractors to come and rip it out so they can begin. The first thing that was done was they ripped out all of the cabinets, and then they placed hardy board, backboard, cement board, whatever you want to call it. They placed that over the floor just for extra support for the porcelain tiles. Just look at this. This is my TV stand. The amount of dust that's being generated from all this is ridiculous. There's so much to be bad, but still, all this got to be done. Total deep clean, but I'm still excited though. Can't wait till it's done and over with. After the cement board was installed, they moved on to the walls. All the walls were redone with fresh, brand new drywall, and then the windows and doorways were framed up. They also took this time to paint, and right here I'm just showing you the difference in the wall paint from the white paint on the frames, because the walls do look white in the video, but they're not. The name of the paint color is marshmallow. Still a construction zone, y'all. Today he sanded the walls and framed the two windows out. Still hadn't gotten to those outlets yet. He did that one, this one, not that one, and then that one. So yeah, I can't wait till we're done. So this is how far we've gotten today, and this is stressing me out because y'all, look, just because of this, all of this is stressing me beyond stressing out. I cannot, if my house is in shambles and what do you call it, in disarray, my mind is in disarray, and it's been over a week, and I just want stuff back to normal. I understand things take time and everything is looking good so far. I like the way things are looking and going, and how, you know, they pay attention to detail. I'm just ready for it to be over with. Nothing against the person and people who are doing it. It's just that it's me. I can't live like this for so long. You know, overnight, yeah, fine. But this day to day, this has been a week. I had no sink, no kitchen, no decent food. I have a headache every day, seems like, and I don't know why. And I think it's stress. But just bringing in for the update. Bringing y'all in for the update. Sorry, I can't even talk. Okay, y'all, so the floors are done. They are done. I couldn't take it, y'all. I had to do a little bit of dusting, just a little bit. You see, there's a little more dust. But the floors are done and I'm loving it. It was a little setback about a day because the how it's brick-layered, it wasn't lined up properly in this whole row, the last 2 rows. So he had to rip all of that up and do it again. So that was a setback, but that's okay. We done past that point. And this is the flooring. The vents, I kept the same vents. Y'all, you gotta see some coin. I kept the same vents. He just painted them black for me. So it didn't make sense to buy all new vents when nothing was wrong with those ones. You gotta be resourceful and save some coin, okay? But I'm loving it, and this is not, I just did a little Swiffer, use that little Swiffer over the floor. So this is, it still has a haze over it. So I'm gonna go over it after they're done with everything with the steam mop. But so you can get nice and good and clean and shiny. But I just wanted to bring y'all in to show y'all the update on today's progress. Cabinets should be coming tomorrow, and I'll be back to show y'all that. Guys, so now the cabinets are finally being installed, and so far I'm completely loving it. It is exactly what I envisioned. My kitchen was in my brain, and I was just trying to relay it to my contractor just so he can bring it to life for me, and he is doing just that. Okay, just wanted to note that. But it is a couple of minor discrepancies that happened, and I'm just going to live with it, because if it were to be corrected, it would just be a long drawn out. It would just drag this process out way longer than it has to, and I ain't got time for that. So once the countertops get in, I think it'll not draw my eye to it so much. But I can definitely see it in my OCD is gonna, it's gonna drive me crazy initially, but I'll be fine. I'll be able to live with it. And I'm not gonna say what it is. It's 2 different things. To me, it's obvious, but I'm gonna see if y'all can catch it in the comments. Once I show y'all the final reveal, let me know if y'all catch it. But I'll be fine. Let me just give y'all a little snippet of what I'm dealing with when it comes to this house in shambles. I keep saying shambles. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I'll put them back because I gotta put them back in order. I have to do it orderly. No, that's shelving. That's that ain't trash. Yeah. Okay, y'all. I'm getting to a little bit of normalcy back here. A little sense of normalcy. So y'all saw how that was. I cleaned up over here a little bit. Shampooed the rug. Vacuumed and stuff. I still gotta do another wipe down again because they're still not finished. So I just tidy up for now as best as I could. And tables back over here. Put this rug back. Same thing with this rug. Shampoo that. Now, as much as I want to bring y'all the content, I'm playing the waiting game. So cabinets are in, new microwaves in, but I'm waiting on the countertops. So the countertops aren't coming in until next week. So I have to live another week like this. I need to stop saying so much. So I gotta live another week like this. After the countertops, well, he's coming back before the countertops get in just to do like finish the crown molding and the trim. This stuff is gonna wait, he said, until the backsplash. So in the meantime, in between time, he have other little things he have to do, like put on the handles on the doors and drawers, cabinetry up here, and this. But I'm still waiting on the countertops. So I'm just gonna end this part right here, and this is just gonna be part 1. Then part 2 will be countertop install, backsplash install, and the kitchen reveal. Okay, so thank y'all again for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Also follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram and TikTok, Facebook as well. All of them are Wendalyn Lynette. Well, Instagram is Wendalyn_Lynette. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Oh, you want water on my home? Oh, you want to line it all up? Hey, I'm gonna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing.